So this one are some of the things that I also was able to read about. The enthusiasm for travel will be record high. And as you start thinking about your 2025 strategies, it's helpful to look at the emerging trends in the travel industry. So these trends will give you sense of direction where travel is heading, but ultimately the content you create should reflect your specific niche or kung ano ba talaga yung target market mo. Kunyari, ako travel agency, ang target market ko leisure, yung ibang travel agency more on corporate. So depending sa content, yun din dapat yung gagawin natin. Hindi yung porke trend to, punta na ako dyan, right? So, on the list, we can see na mga may eco-friendly travel, local immersion, nature-based destinations are gaining traction. But there's also rise in sports tourism, solo travel, and longer trips as people seek more unique experiences. While food-focused travel is also growing, yung mga Insta-driven travel trend may slow down. Dati dapat lahat Instagrammable, right? Now parang more of like immersion and yung subject matter mo really is the food or the destination. Group travel is also expected to increase, and travelers are looking for more professional advice and personalized tips throughout their journey. So dito tayo mapasok sa professional advice. So yes, very relevant pa rin yung mga travel agents, even if there are a lot of, do-it-yourself na mga ways of doing travel. So these trends give you ideas for what to focus on in your content. But remember, your travel business will know best what resonates with your niche and your audience. So as I mentioned earlier, hindi porke nakalista dito gagawin natin. If it's not the target market that you wanna pursue or you wanna offer to. You can use these insights to guide your 2025 strategy, but always keep the customer behavior, your loyal clients at the core when you're thinking of a content that you want to share. Okay?